Whoa. Whoa. This is really weird. Oh man, that is so bizarre. These are the Sony WF-1000XM3, and I've been pretty hyped for these for a while because I love AirPods. Apart from AirPods, there's no isolation. You can hear everything else. These actually feature wireless noise cancelling, which is freaking awesome. So I've got the MX3. Some of you may know of these headphones. They're really popular headphones. They cover the ears and you can't hear anything, even challenging Bose for noise cancellation, which is insane. But I'm really interested to see how the noise cancellation works with the XM3s, just to see how it compares. Also, 6 hours plus 18 hours of battery life. That is with the case, which we're going to be taking a look at. As you can see, it comes with a case. HD cooling, quick charge, 10 minutes of charge, gives you 90 minutes of listening, which is pretty good. So 6 hours of music playback with noise cancellation on, and without the noise cancellation, you still get 8 hours, which is even more, 2 hours extra, and not everyone uses noise cancellation. Really, really promising. So these just came out, and I'm really excited to get my hands on them. Went for the black variation. I believe there's a few other colors. I think gold, kind of almond color is another variation, but let's crack this open. Ooh, nice unboxing experience. I like that. Okay, so we've got the box there, all the information which we just read out. Pretty cool. We've got the pairing manual, but there they are. Nice. These actually look really nice. So we've got the case in the box, which looks absolutely beautiful. It's got this like really nice copper and black feel, matte black with a nice copper vibe. Satisfying click, which is really cool. And then your headphones pop in there to charge. USB-C on the bottom, looks pretty great. We've got the headphones here. Let's leave it on the side. We've got the 2 pair of headphones here. Ooh, interesting. They don't look too big, so that is the right hand side. Is there an indicator on there? Otherwise yeah, there is. It says R on the back, and it says left. Color coded as well, and you see the magnetic points as well. Infrared sensors to detect when they're in your ears. But let's put them to one. Let's put them in the charge case. Yeah. Okay. So I've just started charging them. As you can see, it glows red. They've got this really cool kind of glowing red. And there's a little glow on the case as well to show it's charging as well, which is really cool. So let's close that up. You can still see the light actually, which is pretty cool. Let's see what else is in the box here. We've got the little plastic holder for that stuff. And then an actual bit of information again. We've got like we've got a freaking butt ton of different headphone in-ear covers, or I don't know what you call them, but the things that go in your ears that kind of seal off the rest of the world. We've got 2 textures. We've got kind of like a really odd sponge. It's the best way I can describe it. It's kind of interesting. I don't know if I like these. These look like they'll get grubby, and they look like they have tears in. I guess that's kind of the style. And we have the kind of more conventional, kind of like plasticky, rubbery kind of feel, which is kind of what I'm used to. So at the moment, they ping in nice. So we're going to put that to one side. I'll obviously try testing different variations after the video. We've got some paperwork in here. There is a lot of paperwork. Who's going to read all that? Not me, that's for sure. And then we've got a little USB-C to USB-A type cable. No charging brick. They assume you've got one, which is a fair assumption. Most phones have one, so if you've got these headphones, the chances are you're going to have a charger for them. Fine, great. Not wireless charging though, which is fine. Wireless charging is not fast enough yet, so that's fine by me. So I got my Pixel 3a here, XL that is, and we're going to find the Sony headphones app, and we're going to connect the new headphones. So let's just do that. So it's got NFC, so I'm just going to touch them. There you go. Boom. It's also got Google Assistant, which is kind of cool. I actually think Google Assistant is the best out of all the assistants right now. So let's put them in and see how they sound. So left and right. Okay, so right. Whoa. Whoa. This is really weird. Oh man, that is so bizarre. Okay, so I was about to say, I've got it turned on right now that I can hear surroundings. So it's maxed out. It's called ambient control. And 20 is, if someone's talking to me across the room, I can hear what they're saying. But because my head and my mouth is so close to the headphones, it's obviously picking up my voice really loud and playing it back to me in my own ears. So I get this sensation when I'm doing video recordings with gameplays. I have a gameplay channel if you want to check it out. But this is way more than I'm used to, and I kind of like it, you know. It's kind of a nice thing, but let's try turning it down to like a 6. Actually, let's turn it on all the way. Okay, this is noise cancellation. Okay. Oh, so I've got a mouse here. And all I'm doing is this. You guys can hear it. But when I turn it on, that is greatly reduced. And it's doing the same thing with my voice. It sounds like I'm... That's odd. I can almost not hear myself. Okay, it's not the best noise cancellation, but it does reduce a lot of the noise. So maybe for an aeroplane, might not be enough. But if you're in a work environment, in an office, these might be pretty good. And actually, I really like the fact that I can turn it up the other way and actually play... My God, that sounds so weird. It sounds... That is crazy. I did it before and it freaked me out and I've done it again. It sounds like I'm on a speaker right now in the room. It doesn't sound like it's playing through the headphones. It sounds like it's... Do you know what I mean? It sounds like it's like speakers around the room and I'm doing an announcement. Hello. That's so weird. I really like that though. And this is just normal. Okay. And you also get a bit of noise cancellation anyway. So these is what they look like. Can't really... They don't... They feel comfortable. Let's play some music. Let's see what they sound like. You also have, before I start, an equalizer. So if you want to do custom EQ settings, which I think most people don't do, the option's there anyway, but that's pretty cool. Pause while headphones are taken off. So when you take out your headphone, the music stops, which is really, really good. I love that feature on the AirPods, and no other headphones do that. So that's pretty cool. Let's listen to some music. Woo! Oh my word. There is no words. That was a trip and a half. That was just incredible. That sounded so good. There was so much bass. Not overpowering, not distorted at all. But that kicked me hard. That was a song from... I was listening to a song... I don't know if I can play it. I might try and edit it in and not get copyrighted. But that was a song from the first Iron Man film. And the tune kicks ass. These are expensive. I will say that much. The other option is you've got our AirPods, the Beats, and these. And then you kind of... And there's lots of cheap alternatives. But these offer some pretty good stuff that others don't offer. One of which, the battery life is pretty solid. If you go for a cheaper headphone, sometimes the battery isn't actually as good as it would be otherwise. So battery life is a great feature. Sony, you know, you're getting great audio. Noise cancellation is a huge thing that you don't see in earbuds. So if noise cancellation is something you want, these are a really great option. And for me, for what I like, noise cancellation, and even the opposite, noise addition, like adding the ambient noise into your ears, is such a good feature with earbuds. I think this is a great headphone. USB-C, massive plus for me. The touch controls, being able to pause, being able to grab the assistant whenever you want is brilliant. These definitely get a thumbs up from me. I think they're great. If you guys are on the fence, pick them up. They're not cheap, but they'll last you. So headphones, I think, one of those things that will always work. So definitely go ahead and pick these up. But yeah, what a great pair of headphones. That was a trip. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy ShockBox videos, definitely go ahead and click subscribe. We're a new little channel here, technology channel, and these headphones, they're freaking good, man. You should pick them up.